Alright guys. Alright, finally made it to the property. Here's the Hulk. Here's the mess I got myself into. No, just kidding. It's windy out here, so the audio might not be that great. But we gotta get this car, big ass car, out of that hole. And as you can see, our structure here is a little sketch, to say the least. Little sketch. Custom support beam right here. So I'm hoping I can get that out of the way. Got the whole enchilada coming down here. Might be able to. I might have to go back and get some screws and stuff to strengthen that up a little bit. So, I don't know, I gotta get to work. I don't have my camera guy here, so I'm gonna have to get some stuff done and then come back to the video, I guess. Here she is. I'm really excited about this car. I'm pretty much the only one in my family that is. Everybody else is kind of like, which is typical in my world. But nonetheless, it's a cool little piece. I'm looking forward to it. So, looking forward to wrenching on her. So, got to get working. I'll get back with some updates here in a minute. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it out today after all. I'm trying to rush this. It's not working out today. No big deal. It'll be fine. Everything works out. Yeah, but there she is. Don't get mad at me, guys. I'm just getting used to this YouTubing stuff. I'm using my iPhone to record for now. If you guys don't like it, send me a GoPro. Go fund me, sponsor me, send me something. Or give me some ideas on what cameras are good to use for stuff that I'm doing. I need something that I could probably attach to myself. Or, you know, something that's versatile to where I can attach it to different things. So ultimately I can record. So on the video when I first came out here to change the wheels and tires and stuff, I was using the phone the wrong way. So you'll notice it's really crappy quality and it's like super narrow. So now I finally figured out the magic of this iPhone is actually, it puts out really, really quality picture from what I can tell. The last video that I did, I was recording out at a scrapyard. And that video came out really well. So I know which way to hold my camera now, guys. I didn't before, I'm a rookie. I'm a noob tuber. So you can tear me up all you want. I don't care. I'm a new dude. So all the trolls out there can tear me up all you want. Doesn't faze me because I admitted it. Legit with legitness. So I better get cracking though. I gotta get tires out. I gotta get tow chains out. I gotta open this gate. Got my tow bar. This is the death bar. Everybody freaks out when they see this, but I've towed about 40 cars with it. It's a pretty nice setup. I'll show you guys here in a second how that thing looks. Got my jack. I just got hooked up with a tractor. That's pretty cool. 17 horsepower. I'm gonna try to make that go fast. That'll be fun. Yeah, I'm gonna be cracking here. I got my wheel and tire kit. Holding there. Needed a valve stem. That was right. I'll tell you guys, the knob and tire were wrong. You guys are lazy. But I know it was on Friday and you guys are trying to get out and party. So next time, don't make me wait 45 minutes and tell me that my tire's fine when it leaks air. Okay, so moving on. Alright, I'm gonna tackle this thing. I don't know what the heck is going on here. I don't think it's supporting too much weight. I don't even know if this is like in the ground. What is this? It's a cool metal piece. So yeah, and the owner literally just texted me saying, please be careful not to knock the porch down. So I will be, don't worry. But I noticed this. I can lift it up and it disappears. So I think we can get away with it. I'll leave it supported as long as possible. See, it's totally loose right now. So I'll leave that in there as long as possible. out. That support beam is cooked. I don't know if it'll even take screws or anything at this point. It'll be okay. She's freaked out that it's gonna get knocked down, but might be doing her a favor if it collapsed. Just a lot of rubbish. It's actually not that bad. I think we're fine. So, to get started, I gotta get this wheel in the front and see if it'll roll. I have a sneaky feeling that the passenger rear brake is seized. I'm not sure. Get this guy off the jack stands and see if it'll kind of roll on its own. Roll on its own, I should say, without too much resistance. Oh, this thing's a mess, huh? What did I get myself into, guys? Just kidding. Pretty sweet though. All the door panels seem to be pretty cool. I already noted that in my video before, but it's such a crappy quality video, and I wanted to kind of get a better feel, and I will. I'll get a much better feel when I get to the house and start cleaning it up. It'll look a lot better. Everything has just been neglected. Some sound system. Yeah, buddy. Bumping. See those humps? See those love humps? My lovely lady lumps? It's hi-fi, baby. High fidelity. Quality audio there. Good 7 watts each. RNS. Bumping. Alright, I'm getting cracking. Diego is on the way. Coming here pretty soon, so I'm gonna start getting stuff down. Hopefully he'll cameraman me up. Alright, later.